Growing up, we used to have this at school for sports ball and sports equipment and tennis rackets and balls and all that kind of stuff. Today, I have a shed that is overflowing, so I need more storage space. This is ideal if you have that problem. If you have a garage that is not organized, this will make you absolutely organized. As you can see, there's different types of shelves. The soft shelves where you can put a bunch of stuff. I've got my shoes like this. I love the fact that they're outdoors, they're being aerated, but they're still being protected, not on the ground all over the place. I love the fact that they've got these meshy shelves as well. If I have something that's drippy drop, I don't have a problem with any water damage. And I've got our little sports equipment right here that are going to get wet and are going to be put there wet, so they're not going to stand in a bucket full of water. It's just going to drip dry and no problem whatsoever. I love also the hooks on the side so we can put our cooler bags. We could put our extension cords and put whatever you want. It was extremely easy to assemble. It is extremely sturdy as well. You can do like I did and put on the wheels, like you see right at the bottom, or there is an option where take off the wheels, put on those little pads at the bottom, and it is non-movable. So there it is. It's super, super convenient, and you'll be organized for days.